LFA is a great opportunity to be part of a wider discussion and community of designers, architects in London.
We are partway through our final design projects at the moment. Design for performance and interaction is obviously all about people actually engaging with our work in response to bodies and people's presence. So to have audiences in the space be able to interact with our artwork and tell us what they think will really help us to continue to develop this over the next 6 months.
Any point in which you can share your work and have a meaningful conversation about your work is always incredibly valuable. The diversity of opinions and feedback is very welcome for us at this stage.
I find it really inspiring in the way the different programs can cross-pollinate and different ways of making, different approaches to architecture and design is really interesting. It's a really thoughtful space.
We have diverse background, especially we have background from architecture, from film, and also from theater, and also from the fashion. My background is film, so present my work with those architectural students is quite inspiring.
I feel like there's a lot of actual commonalities between the programs. I think a cool one is DFM, Design for Manufacturing, and I think there's a lot of interesting work they're doing on assemblies that we could definitely collaborate with.
It actually inspires me of how to make something even from bio-ID, like how they make these biological things. And also it's kind of intersected with my project as well, so I can learn from them.
By learning from each other, we can know a lot of things, like probably some problems we ignored before, or some very interesting points that we might have missed.
It's been a fun experience because I really love working backstage in exhibitions. Building it, compiling it, and setting everything up has been amazing, and working with the other clusters has been lovely.
It's been really fascinating being part of LFA to see an exhibition of this scale come together. There's over 200 students participating, so it's just been really lovely to see people engage with the work that we've been beavering over for so long.